Hey there, pool owners and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of cozy swims with the best DIY pool heaters. These creative solutions will extend your pool season without breaking the bank. Check the description box for links to our top picks, and let's make a splash while keeping warm in your very own oasis. SunHeater S120U Pool Heater. The SunHeater S120U Pool Heater is your go-to solution for extending your swimming season without increasing your energy bill. This solar heater boasts a simple DIY installation process suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools. Its patented web design maximizes sun exposure, efficiently raising your pool's temperature by 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Made from durable polypropylene, the heating panels ensure longevity. Additionally, it includes a liquid heat shield to reduce water evaporation and a reel system for easy solar blanket use. With this heater, you can enjoy an extended swim season, lower operating costs, and a more sustainable way to keep your pool warm. Solar Pool Supply Pool Heater. The Solar Pool Supply Solar Pool Heater offers a reliable and eco-friendly solution to heat your pool using the sun's energy. NSF certified, it features panels with innovative zipper seams for optimal heat absorption and minimal heat loss. Designed for easy installation and capable of lasting 15 to 20 years. This DIY kit includes top-quality components, ensuring leak-free connections with heavy-duty CPVC pipe connectors. Enjoy a longer swimming season in comfortable water temperatures without breaking the bank, thanks to its cost-effective design. Effortlessly harness the power of the sun with this solar pool heater. SunQuest Pool Heater. Extend your swimming season with the SunQuest Solar Pool Heater. This solar-powered heater raises water temperature by up to 10, making your pool more comfortable and enjoyable. Known for its durability and reliability, it offers top-notch materials and cutting-edge technology. The MaxFlow design with two OD headers ensures better water circulation and reduced back pressure on your existing pump and filter. With professional-grade panels at an affordable price, you can enjoy quality without the hefty cost. Choose from various panel systems tailored to your needs, complete with all the necessary components for a hassle-free installation. Xtremepower US Pool Heater. The Xtremepower US Solar Pool Heater is a cost-effective and efficient solution for heating your above-ground pool using solar power. Crafted from high-quality materials, it can withstand constant exposure to the sun and outdoor elements. This heater operates by having the pool pump circulate water through the panel's tubes, where it absorbs heat from the sun's rays before returning it to the pool. This process can raise the water temperature by 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, extending your swimming season significantly. Installation is a breeze with compatibility with standard fittings used in most above-ground pools. Enjoy a warmer pool without the extra cost with this solar pool heater. Thanks for exploring the best DIY pool heaters with us. Enjoy extended swim seasons and warm poolside moments.